Hair damage can be caused by a multitude of external factors from UV radiation to dryness. Heat styling such as ironing or curling can also lead to damage and distorted strands. For the younger population who find it hard to avoid these factors, the advanced technology of Shiseido Professional SUBLIMIC Salon Solution is able to reverse the damage and revitalize your hair once more. The Hair Reforming Program is a system treatment that refines hair texture by not only replenishing what is lost, but by also restoring the original shape of the strands. Unlike treatment which is only coat the surface, Salon Solution thoroughly repairs hair from the inside, giving you hair that is both smooth on the surface and strong from the core. Hair is instantly shinier and easier to manage after just 60 minutes. With Shiseido proprietary shielding agent, your hair's new overflowing shine and silky smooth texture will definitely last a long time. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards beautiful hair at Hair Inn Seletar Mall today.